From superhero drivers to raging bulls. These are the wildest road rage moments caught on camera. Stay safe out there.
See it? You still don't see it. Yeah. You still don't see it. Oh fuck, dude. Oh, I don't know what he's gonna do. He gonna blast it. Jesus fuck.
And if that's not working, let's head over to the harbor. I bet they're doing a 4-day market.
Okay.
Neon 100% stuff. That would be
Nope.
No! Fuck! Damn it!
It's okay. Give me your phone. Fuck, give me your phone. Give me your phone.
I'm dead. I'm dead. No, my life's over, Sam. My life's over. Sam, my life's over. Sam is over.
Hey, hold up. Hey, bud.
Уезжай. А что случилось?
That fucking Tesla.
No, that guy tried to merge onto her.
kidding me, dude? It's a roundabout.
There's two more things we can talk about. One is how many giant undiscovered oil fields do you think?
To go look for oil, then that's what they find from all, so they'll spend say $10 billion looking for oil and they only find $8 billion worth.
Fuck.
There really aren't. I mean, we may find an occasional field, but from all, so they'll spend say $10 billion looking for oil and they only find $8 billion worth.
Fuck.
There really aren't. I mean, we may find an occasional field, but